Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so let us first start by doing the homework. We'll do it together. Okay, so for these questions, they're incorrect, so we have to correct them. Okay, so all of these have mistakes in the sentences, so we need to correct them. I'll do the first one. Al-qalamu at-talib. Okay, remember what we talked about last class? We were talking about possessor and what he possesses, right? So al-qalam at-talib is a mistake. And this, they're trying to say basically the pen, the student's pen, right? The student's pen, or the pen of the student. So what do we say? There's no alif lam in the beginning, right? So that's a mistake. It should be qalamu. I'll write it over here. Qalamu, qalamu talib. Qalamu talibi. Okay? So the mistake is that there's an alif lam here. That's wrong. Okay, another BB come to the class. Write it in. And which BB is this one? It's coming. I'm not sure. Okay, it's all right. So we'll wait for her. I accepted her invite. Oh, she's here. Assalamualaikum.
Yeah. Walaikum assalam.
How are you? And which BB is this?
BB Zarina.
Okay. Did you do the homework, Mr. Zarina?
Well, I'll try. And tell the truth, I'm not feeling very well, but I'll go along with the class.
Okay, no problem. So we're doing the homework quickly. So I did the first one. All of these have mistakes. So the first one, there's no al-qalamu talib.
What page was?
I'm
Okay.
not sure.
41.
Yes.
41.
41? Okay. All right. So,
Okay.
qalamu.
Okay, so Sister Halima, could you do this one for us? There's a mistake in the sentence, so please correct it.
Baitu Hamidu.
This is bint. Bint.
Al Baitu Hamidu.
No. This word does not say bint. It says bint.
Bintu.
Oh, with the other. Baitu
Bintu.
Hamidin. Hamid. Yeah.
This word says
Okay,
bint.
Muhammad.
Bint.
Oh, bint is,
Binta. It says
bint is a
bint.
girl or something. Girl
Right.
or something. I
Right.
think bint is a girl.
It means daughter.
Daughter or something.
Yeah, right. So there's a mistake in the sentence. We need to correct it.
Bird.
Okay, Sister Halima?
Yes.
Yes, so
Binta Hamidun.
yes, there's a mistake in it. If you could correct it.
So is it Bintu Hamidin?
Right. Very good. Bintu
The daughter of Muhammad.
Hamidin. So the first one has one dhamma and the second word has kasratain. Very good. Why is that kasratain? Because it's a name. Compared to the first one, a talib, that's a title and has alif lam on it. So it's only one kasra. Okay, Sister Fazia, can you do the next one? This one?
Ismu. Oh, was
Fazia?
Ismu was Saladi. Waladi. Ismu al-Waladi.
Very good.
Ismu al-Waladi.
Very good. Ismul waladi. Ismul
The
waladi.
name of the boy.
The name of the boy. Very, very good.
The son of Muhammad.
Okay, Zarina, next one. Could you do this one, please?
Innu, Mudari.
No, this one. This one.
Midari.
This sentence.
Oh,
Babun,
Babon. Where is it? Okay, Babon.
the top one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that is Babu Waladin. That one.
No, this sentence right here. On the next side.
Oh,
The first one.
Babon. Oh, Babon. It gotta be Sayarat. Babon Sayaratu. Babon.
Everyone agree with?
Sayar is the car of Babon.
Bab is door.
Oh, the door of Sayara. It gotta be
car.
So it has to be if it's a ton.
Let's do it together.
Sayar.
Let's do it together. Bab. What would the first one be? We're trying to say Bab or Sayara. This is the door of the car. So what would Bab be? Serena?
It's the door.
Sorry, my connection went out a little bit. What is it? Say it again. Can everyone hear me?
Yeah, you can hear you.
Okay, so the first one, Bab, what would it be?
It gotta be Babu, the door of Sayaraton.
What would the harakat be? What would the vowel be?
Abu, the Babu.
Babu, very good. As-sayara now. Babu.
As-sayaraton.
Tun.
No. Babu, the door of Sayaratin. No.
Sayara. Say it again.
This is Sayara, the door of
the car.
Yeah. Oh, the door of the car.
Right.
So would it
be Babu Sayaratun? Is that correct?
Would it be Sayaratin?
Sayaratin.
Sayaratin?
Everyone said the incorrect answer. All three of them is wrong. Babu Sayarati.
T.
Why T? Because it's an object and it has alif lam on it.
Okay.
You see, compared to look, it's just like Qalamu Talibi. Qalamu Talibi has an alif lam on it. So it's like one kasra.
Okay.
But for names, you'll have two kasras. And if it's again, this one here too, Ismul Waladi, one kasra. Okay.
So that is correct written on the book because in the book it's saying Sayarati.
The first one, you have it in the book. Look at Babun. It says Babun. That's wrong. It's supposed to be Babu.
Babu.
Very good observation. Very good observation. Okay. So that's the homework. Okay. And the other section for the homework is saying, let me see. I think this is correct. Okay, you can just skip that. Okay, so like I mentioned yesterday that I'm going to go ahead and read more sentences. Okay, so the next chapter is actually pretty short, and it's easier. So we'll probably spend more time on that, but I'm going to go ahead and read this sentence. I'll read these sentences. And I want everyone to just focus on the vowels. And please do review. Always do review. Okay? I'm most likely going to give homework from this section all the time because I want everyone to continue on with this book and be able to understand this. Okay? And we're already behind. All right. So I'm going to go
Okay.
ahead. Let me just see something. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and read some sentences, not all. And I'll show you, and I'm going to indicate the harakats, the vowels. Okay. Number 1. أين بيت المدرس؟ هو بعيد. أين is where. أين بيت المدرس? Where is the house of the teacher? House of the teacher. Or the teacher's house. The teacher's house. Either one. Okay? The teacher's house. Question. هو بعيد. It is far. Remember we said هو can also mean he and also mean it. And it referring to here is house. هو بعيد. Okay? Notice the first harakat here. One dhamma and kesra on the next one. Why is it kesra? Because there's alif lam. Okay? Next one. Al-Qur'anu Kitabullah. The Quran is the book of Allah. The book of Allah or Allah's book. Notice it has one dhamma, and then the next word, which is Lafzul Jalala or Allah is the name of Allah, has one kasra. Okay? Next one. I'll go to here number 5. Kharaja. Kharaja is a verb. I don't think we studied this. We didn't study this. Yeah, it's going to be in the future chapters. Kharaja means he left. He left. Or he went out. خرج المدرس خرج المدرس من غرفة المدير. So the mudir left. The teacher left. Al-Mudarris is teacher. The teacher left. Sorry, spelling that wrong. The teacher left from, min is from, min gharafatil mudiri, from the room of the principal or the principal's room. Okay, does everyone see that?
No.
Good. And why is this means gharafatul mudiri is the room of the principal or the principal's room? But explain to me, can someone give me the answer? Why is there one kesra here? Didn't we say that it's supposed to have a dhamma? Why is there a kesra? Who knows the answer?
Because of the preposition.
Right? And the preposition,
Al-Mudarris.
right? And the preposition is where?
From min.
Right. The preposition is in front of what we learned, this construction. Right? And anything that, whenever the preposition is in front of the word, it's going to have a kesra. It's going to change the word to have a kesra after it. Okay, so that min changes from the u to a e. Okay, very, very good. This one, I'll read this one. Ibnu Ammarin. There's two kasras here. Ibnu Ammarin talibun wabnu Yasirin tajirun. Okay, so the son of Ammar is a student. And the son of Yasir is a merchant or a businessman. Okay, and remember I mentioned yesterday, whenever you see this alif in the beginning, you pronounce the kasra. But if it's in the middle of the sentence, like right here, I do not pronounce it. So I say wabanu. Okay?
No.
Question. Why is there kasratain? Two kasras on here, these two?
because Madarfi Eli is
Okay. Very good. That's good. That's a good one. But there's more, a little bit more to it. Keep going on.
uh,
Keep explaining.
because the son of Eli, he is the
You're getting close. You're getting close to the answer. But there's more. There's another reason why. Who knows? Who can help her? Because we mentioned anything with names is going to have kasratain.
yeah.
Ammar is a
Right.
name, and Yasser is a name. Notice how Ammar and Yasser doesn't have L in the front of it. Ammar is Ammar. Look over here. Ammar is Ammar, right? But Ammar doesn't have Alif Lam, right? There's no Alif Lam in it. So be kasratain.
Mhm.
That's the standard of male names. They don't have Alif Lam in them. Generally speaking, they do not have it. Okay? Most majority or generally speaking, male names do not have it. There might be some exceptions, but that's another lesson. Okay. Very good. That's a good it's a good answer actually. I was surprised. Okay. Next one.
We learned at Madarfi the reading class.
Yeah, very good, very good. So it's a correct answer, but there's more to it. There's more, a little bit more. Okay, so I'll read this one. Baytul Mudarisi. Baytul Mudarisi. Ba'idun. The house of the teacher is far. Wa baytu tajiri. Qaribun. And the house of the merchant is close. Okay, so why is there one kasra, one kasra?
Well, Baitu Mudarisu, the house of the masjid, the house of the teacher, right? The teacher is a profession, so you put one kasra on the
Right.
Mudarisi. And Baitu, Baitu is a preposition, the house of, so you put Baitu.
Right.
Mudarisi.
Titles, names, objects, titles, names, and objects, they come with Alif Lam on them. You could put Alif Lam on them. The house, the man, right? Compared to my name, Riyadh, we don't say the Riyadh. My name is not the Riyadh, right? There's no Alif Lam in it. There's no the Riyadh. So the teacher, the house, etc. They have Alif Lam. So anything with Alif Lam is going to turn it, going to make sure it's going to make it have a kasra. Okay, very good though. Very good. Okay, I'll read one more and then we'll move on. Wabanu. Oh no, is that a continuing one from this one? Oh, it is. I think it's continuing on. It's okay. I'll read this one. Number 9. هذا مفتاح السيارة. هذا مفتاح السيارة. أين مفتاح البيت؟ أين مفتاح البيت؟ هذا مفتاح السيارة. This is the key of the car. أين مفتاح البيت? Where is the key of the house? Where is the house keys? Okay.
Car.
Notice how miftah has one dhamma and siyara has one kasra. There's alif lam and it's going to change it to kasra. Same thing over here. Okay. Is that clear so far for everyone? I think everyone just needs to continue on to just reviewing. But everyone is getting it. It's good.
No.
Is there any questions so far? Anyone have any questions?
You're cutting in and out.
Okay, 1 second.
No.
What about now? Is it okay now? Am I still cutting in and out?
Yeah,
I'm still cutting in and out.
you're good. You're
I'm good now.
good.
Am I good now? All right, what about now? Can you hear me?
I think you're
Yeah.
still cutting in and out.
Okay, 1 second. Just give me 1 second.
Mm.
Okay, just give it 1 minute. I'm not sure why I'm cutting in and out.
You're okay. I'm hearing you good.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's move on. This is the same, these are more the same questions, the same more sentences, but it's the same construction. Okay, the first one's gonna have one dhamma, or it's gonna have kasr chain. Kasr chain, if it's a name, see over here, bintu Hamidin. Hamid is a man's name. It's gonna have two kasras. Ismul mudarrisi, one kasra, because it has alif lam. Okay? So we're gonna go ahead and jump to, I might leave this for homework. I'm gonna leave this for homework, page 40. If I forget, please remind me.
Reading.
Okay, so this was also the other, what else? We also learned about this, saying whose book is this? Well, how do we say that? We put the object first, and then we put after it man hada. So kitabu man hada. Whose book is this? Kitabu will come in the front and it'll have one dhamma only. And after it will say man hada. So for example, I'll do qalam. Qalam is pen. How would I say it? What would be the vowel?
Yeah. What is the word?
Palama.
Qalamu. Very good. Man
Qalamu, manhada.
man hada. Good. Whose pen is this? Same thing for this one. Key is miftah. How would I say it?
Miftahu.
Good. Miftahu
Hada.
man hada.
Miftahu.
Very good.
Manhada.
Very good. Okay, that's all.
Two.
Yes, sa'atu man hadihi. But we're going to talk about that. Okay? Sa'atu man hadihi. This is actually the next chapter. It'll be the next chapter. We're going to learn about this in the next chapter, okay? Sa is a feminine word, feminine singular. Why is it feminine singular? Because of this ending. We're going to talk about that right now, actually, okay? Right now, we're going to talk about it. Okay, so we go ahead and go to the next chapter. Okay, I'm going to make sure to put the homework of this chapter so we can continue on. I don't want to just keep rushing and not no one understanding, but I think all three of you here is getting the idea of that. With the one dhamma and then kesratain in the following word, or one kesra, right? Everyone is getting it's the idea is there. Okay. So for now, this chapter, it's pretty short and it's pretty simple. I don't think there's no more, right? This chapter doesn't have too much vowels. Something else. So we can all take a deep breath. So hadihi, we're gonna learn hadihi. Hadihi is the feminine of hada. Okay? So hada, what did we say it was? Hada means this. Right.
This.
And it's for what? It's for singular words, not plural, singular words and masculine words, right? Now we're going to learn, I'm going to come over here. We're going to learn hadihi. Hadihi.
This feminine.
Right, it's referring to singular and feminine words. Okay? هذه can also has another function but right now in this chapter, just know that it's for singular and feminine. There is more details with هذه, but I think it's in the next book, chapter 2. We'll come back to هذه or some from other constructions. But for now, just for now, it's singular feminine. Okay? Just keep this in mind for book number 2. There's going to be more details. Just keep in mind. Okay? And it's pronounced as saying هذه. هذه. It's pronounced like this, but it's not written. It's not written like that. Okay? So for example, هذا ولد. هذا ولد. This is a boy. وهذه, it's over here. وهذه, I'm going to write it. Sorry. وهذه بنت. وهذه بنت. And this is a girl. Okay? All right, is that clear so far? Does
No.
everyone see that so far? Okay, good. Very good. So bint is a feminine word and it's a singular. Okay? Okay, so now nouns and adjectives are made feminine by adding a tar mabuta at the end. The last letter before this takes this ta, which is called ta marbuta. Okay, so what does that mean? First, let us look at this word right here. We learned this word already. We mentioned it a lot. And that is mudarisun. Mudarisun. And what does that mean?
There's a teacher. No.
Yes,
Madaris.
teacher.
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 There.
Teacher, right.
Madaris.
It
Yeah.
means teacher, but it's very important to know it means teacher, but remember, it's a male teacher. Male teacher,
Male teacher. Where the
and
term
it's a singular. It's just one teacher we're talking about. Singular. Okay? But how do I say teacher, but I want to refer to a female and only one, singular? Right? What do I do? Basically, I just add this ta marbut at the end. I just add this ta marbut at the end. This ta at the end. So basically, you see mudaris right here. I just add this ta marbut at the end. Good. And it'll give us what? Equals
the female single name.
Right, exactly. Mudarrisa tun. Mudarrisa tun, which is lady teacher, female teacher, and it's female and singular. Okay? Is that clear so far?
No.
Is it confusing for anyone? Does anyone want me to repeat that again?
Mudarrisatun. So the male would be the same thing without
Mudarrisun.
without the term about mudarrisu. Okay.
Right. Look here. Mudarris. You see mudarris? Mudarrisun. It's teacher, but it means male, singular. But I wanna say teacher, but I want to refer to a woman. What do? I just add at the end
the term mabuta.
Right. I just add that at the end. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Sister Halima, is that clear? And Fazi? Okay, Fazi got it. Lorena got it. Halima.
Because she's in the RV, I don't know how much she can hear.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
She's in the
Okay, it's okay. So some nouns have separate form of feminine. So, okay, so now there's some words that are just feminine because it's referring to a woman in reality, or female. For example, son, ibnun, say son, ibnun. But to say daughter, it's bintun. By the way, this ta at the end is not ta marbuta. This is not the same ta we're talking about. It's another ta. Okay? It looks like the same,
Mhm.
but it's not. So, good. Okay, so son, ibnun, and bintun, daughter. Brother, akhun, and sisters, ukhtun. Okay?
Others.
Okay. Okay, good. Very good. Now this okay, this sentence here, I'm going to summarize it quickly. Basically, what it's saying is that there's trying to say is that most words in Arabic, they have the ta marbuta, like I said, when referring to a feminine and singular. But sometimes they do not have the ta marbuta at the end. Like for example, bintun, it has a different ta. Is that not the same ta? Different ta? Or ukhtun. There's no ta marbuta at the end. There's a different kind of ta. Because the ta marbuta at the end is like it's hanging out, hanging off. You see? It comes like that.
Mhm.
See? Now there's also, I don't want to confuse everyone. I always mention this. There's some words in Arabic that are just feminine just because of how Arabs did it. They're just feminine. And how do we know? It's just by reading or a teacher going to tell you. So for example, this is important to know. Now, what does now mean? Anyone know?
Nar, fire? No.
Yeah. Fire. It means fire. But this word in Arabic is not masculine. It's actually feminine. It's feminine, actually. So if I want to say this fire, I would say actually, هذه النار. هذه النار. It's feminine. It's a feminine word. But how do I know that? It's just by reading and a teacher telling you, etc. Okay? I'll give one more. Like this word, arad. Anyone know what this word means?
Where's our
Arad. It means land.
land?
Arad, this is like a raw, sorry. Maybe that raw is, it's like a raw is like that. It's Arad. It means land. And it's a feminine word. So you say, هذه الأرض. هذه الأرض. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Is that clear so far?
No.
Okay, good. Now, there's other feminine words that we're going to learn here, and that is any body parts that have pairs, they're feminine. For example, like hands has a pair. I have one hand, two hands. It's feminine. Eyes, I have two eyes, feminine, etc. So let's look at them. First, let's look at this section here. Come with me here on the right side. Let's read these first. Masculine. How do I say head in Arabic? Ra'sun, head. I only have one head. There's no pair. I have no pair of heads, right? Ra'sun.
Mhm.
Nose. Anfun. Anfun. There's no pair. I only have one nose. Oh, I didn't mention that. These words right now that we're talking about, they're all masculine. They're masculine words, okay? Masculine words. So if they do not have a pair, they're masculine. Ra'sun. I have one head. It's a masculine word. Anfun, nose. I only have one nose, masculine word. Mouth, femun. Femun means mouth. I only have one mouth, so it's feminine word. I'm sorry, then it's a masculine word. Mouth is femun. I only have one mouth, so it's masculine. Wajhun. Wajhun means face, and I only have one face, no pair. So that is a masculine word. Okay? Now let's look on this side over here. These words that we're going to mention are feminine. Hand, yadun. Yadun in Arabic means hand, and it's a feminine word. Why is it feminine? Because anything that has pairs, any body parts that have pairs is feminine. Yadun, I have two hands, you see? Two hands, so it's feminine. Rajlun, rajun with the kasra, very important, kasra. If I say rajul, what does that mean in Arabic? If I put a fatha on this ra, it means another word, completely another word. It means man.
Rajulu.
Man.
Man.
Yeah.
Man. It means man.
Rajulu.
But if I take that ra, if I take that ra and put a kasra on it, it means leg, a completely different word. Okay? So leg means is rajlun in Arabic. So I have two legs. So it's feminine word. I, ainun, ainun means eye, and I have two eyes, so it's a feminine word. Ear, uzunun, it means ear, uzunun means ear, and I have two ears, so it's a feminine word. Okay? So anything with pairs have two, something with two, it's feminine. Okay, is that clear so far? Any questions?
No.
Yeah.
Good? Everyone good? Okay, very good.
No.
Okay. Now this lamb with the kesra on it means what? This is something else. A lamb with the, it means belongs to,
belongs.
and it can also mean for. Okay, so let's look at this. هذا
Belongs
لي
for all.
هذا لي بلال وذلك لي حامد. This belongs to Bilal. هذا لي بلال. هذا لي
Okay.
بلال. And that belongs to Hamid. وذلك لي حامد. Okay? If I put the lamb, this lamb that we just said, and then I put a word that is a man's name after it, it's gonna have two kasras. Hamid is a man's name, so it has two kasras after it. Okay?
No.
Okay, good.
Mm.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdu. This is supposed to have this dhamma. It's supposed to have a dhamma here. It's a mistake in the book. Alhamdulillahi. All praises belong to Allah, or the
For
praise
Allah.
belongs to Allah. So the first one, Alhamdulillah. So lillah, this lamb is put on with the word Allah on it. Okay? So Allah after will have the word will have a kasra on the word. Okay? Now note the word Allah becomes lillahi by just dropping the alif. So this alif, in other words, if we put this lam and you want to put it on the word of Allah, you do not pronounce this alif. You take up this alif. Okay? That's all. You just drop the alif. Okay, so look how it is here, lillahi. It becomes what? Lillahi, just like that. Lillahi. Okay? All right. Now we're gonna still use this lam. Liman hada. Liman hada. Whose is this? Whom does this belong to? Similar to what we learned before. If you put this lam attached to the men, liman hada, it means whose is this? Whose is this? Like whose is this? Whose is this? Whom does this belong to? Okay. Whose is the book, or whose books, or in other words, Whose book does this belong to? Whose book does this belong to? لمن الكتاب. لمن الكتاب. Something very important. Men usually, the word men has a sukoon on it, right? Look over here.
Mm-hmm.
Has a sukoon on it. But when there's a alif lam comes after it, what do? We do not, we drop this sukoon. We drop the sukoon and we put a kasra on it instead. Why do we do that? So it sounds nicer on the tongue. So for example, if I say liman al-kitab, whose book does this belong to? Liman al-kitab. You see, it's like I stop and then I continue. It's hard on the tongue and it's not smooth. But if I say liman al-kitab, look how it's smooth. So that's the reason why. Okay? So liman al-kitab, whose book does this belong to? Okay, is that clear so far, everyone?
No.
Hmm.
Very good. Aidan means also. Aidan means also. Okay, that's all. This is a new word. So this is beautiful. هذا جميل. This is beautiful. وذلك أيضا جميل. And that is also beautiful. Aidan just means also. Okay. جدا means very. It means very. So this is very big. هذا كبير جدا. هذا كبير جدا. It means very.
Is this big, big, big?
Yeah.
No, it's
Right.
very big, big.
هذا كبير جدا. This is very big.
This is very.
Okay. That's all for
No.
that chapter. Okay, so let us go ahead and read. Oh my God, we only have like how many more minutes left? Few more.
Oh boy.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna read. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna read and translate. And next week we're gonna start by homework, so that way everyone is participating at least. Okay, so we all participate in the chapter at least. But since time is running out, it's better I just go ahead and read and translate, and then the homework everyone will do it at home for practice. Okay, this is the chapter. And chapter is this? Chapter 6. Okay. هذا بنو. Remember, anything with this alif in the middle of the sentence, I do not pronounce it. Okay. هذا بنو حامد. هذا بنو حامد. We talked about that last
Son of
chapter.
Muhammad.
Right. وهذه بنت ياسر. وهذه بنت ياسر. And this is the daughter of Yasir. Okay. Ibnu Hamidin Jalisun is sitting. وبنت ياسر واقفة. And the daughter of Yasir is what? Standing.
Walking is walking. One is standing.
Standing. Notice the Tal Marbut at the end.
That's it.
Everyone see that?
Mm-hmm.
If I want to say she's sitting, what do I
No.
do? Jalisun is sitting.
Jalisun.
Hamid.
Sorry, say it again.
She is sitting. Yeah.
Yes, how do I say? Forget about waqifatun. I want to say she's sitting. So هذه وبنت ياسر جالس. How do I say? How would I say?
Son. Jolly son. She's sitting.
Remember what I said?
Jolly.
We added tarmabut at the end.
Jolly
Jalisatun.
Jolly
Jalisatun.
son.
Sitting. She's sitting. How do I say she's standing? Waqifatun.
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 You see?
Jalisatun.
Notice the tarmabut at the end. That's referring to what?
The female.
Female, right.
Female.
Right. Notice how Ibn Hamid, look at this sentence here. Ibn Hamid jalisun. There's no tarmabut, you see?
Yeah.
No tarmabut. Okay. Next. Man هذه. Man هذه. Who is this? هذه أخت المهندسة مهندسي. نعم. هذه أخت المهندسي. هذه أخت المهندسي. هذه أخت المهندسي. This is the daughter of the who? Who knows?
The mechanic.
Not mechanic, close, kind of.
Mechanic.
Engineer. Engineer.
And this one is mechanic.
مهندس.
Engineer.
أهي أيضا مهندسة؟ أهي أيضا مهندسة؟ Is she also an engineer? Notice the tarmabut at the end, right?
Yes.
Referring to who? His sister.
She.
Yeah, the sister of the muhandis. He's asking, is she also an engineer? The reply, لا. هي طبيبة. هي طبيبة. She's a doctor. You see the tarmabut at the end?
No.
Okay, quickly. How do I say male? Hey, male doctor.
Tabibu.
Tabibun. Tabibun. Very good. Very good. Now, how do I say female doctor?
Tabibatun.
Tabibatun. Yeah.
Very good. Very, very, very good. Tabibatun. We added the tarmabut at the end. Very, very, very good. Okay, next one. لمن هذه السيارة؟ لمن هذه السيارة؟ Whose car does this belong to? هذه سيارة المدير. This is the principal's car, or the car of the principal. هذه is referring to سيارة because سيارة is a feminine word.
This car.
Okay.
No.
Okay, we can skip that one. We can go to we can skip some. Okay, good. I will read these. These are good. هذه ملعقة وهذه قدر. This is a spoon. This is a spoon. وهذه قدر. And this is a pot. Pot. الملعقة في القدر. الملعقة في القدر. The spoon is in the pot. Okay, we'll jump over here. This is very important. هذا أنف وهذا فم. This is a nose. This is a nose. وهذا فم. And this is a
Where's the
mouth.
face? No.
Notice they have hada on it because I only have one nose, there's no pair. And I only have one
Yeah.
mouth, there's no pair. Okay.
No.
Now, other body parts. هذه أذن. هذه أذن. وهذه عين. This is a ear. And this is a eye.
Okay.
Why do we use هذه?
Female.
It's feminine,
هذه
right?
Because
female.
ear and eye are female.
Why?
Because it has the term of
Pair. They have the pair.
no, there's
Pair
a
again.
pair, right. There's a
Yeah,
pair.
There's
So
a pair. There's no Talmabuta on it.
yeah.
Very good.
Mm.
Very good. Very, very good. وهذه يد. وهذه يد. وهذه رجل. And this is a hand. And this is a leg. Good. Why is it هذه? هذه.
هذه
Hand
female.
is male and leg is female.
Hmm.
هذه is female.
هذه is female.
هذا- Yes.
Yeah, for hand, I use هذه, so it must be
Yeah, this.
feminine.
Yeah, that's female. Yes.
Anything with pairs, anything that a
Oh
human
yes,
body is,
that's right.
yeah,
It's
anything with
female.
a human is born with pairs, it's going to be female. So hand is pairs, has pairs, female, and legs too.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are out of time, but there's no problem with that. Let me just see
Okay.
something. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and give homework now. Okay. Can someone, let me write it in the group quickly. Okay, homework. Homework is page, page 40. Just the end, page 4 at end of page 40. End of page 40. And homework for this chapter will be page 47 and page 48. That's all.
Do we have to send the homework to you that we did it?
You don't know. We'll just do them, and then when we
Go
review
over
it,
it.
and we're gonna go over it in the
Mhm.
beginning, and you don't have to send a photo. We'll just go one by one and just have your notes with you
Okay.
ready, and then we'll read it out. You don't have to take a picture and send it. So that way we go
Okay,
1, 2,
that's
3.
Right.
Okay. Let me send it right now before I forget. Okay, that's all. Is there any questions?
I had bought a book with the 500 words of the Quran, and I'm
Mhm.
working on that because when we had originally started the 2 class before, we
Mhm.
thought that we were learning to understand the Quran, but really this is a language. So I started working on that, and I can't keep up with both. So this is going to be my last class because I want to understand the Quran.
Okay.
Inshallah.
I think me and Halima will
Yeah.
continue.
Yeah, the
Okay.
2 of them will continue.
But maybe
But
we'll
I
go over the
started
class.
that
I
book,
don't know.
yeah.
We'll see.
Right. Yes. But
And it's
remember
hard
what?
for me to keep up with.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's hard for me to keep up with both. So yeah, this would be my last one. But you've been a big help to us, and I appreciate everything you've done for me.
Okay, that's no problem. But remember what Brother Najim said in the orientation, that studying the words of the Quran, I mean, I'm
Uh-huh.
not going to say it's impossible, but
Uh-huh.
without having the language aspect, like what we're doing now, we're doing more of a language aspect, correct? That's the
Yeah.
key, actually. That is actually the key to understanding the Quran, the understanding the grammar, how the language is constructed. That's what going to
Uh-huh.
help us. But to remember, like, to do language by the Quran, like Brother Najim said, that's something else, you
Yeah.
know?
Well, what
It,
I'm doing is just it give me the words that I have to memorize, and in order when I read the Quran, I can understand the Quran by memorizing the words. But I
okay,
remember what he said, yeah.
right,
In
right,
order to, yeah.
right. It's more what you're doing, more of a memorization kind of thing. It's
Right.
not really
Yeah.
understanding the language because the key to the Arabic, key to the Quran is the Arabic.
Uh-huh. Yeah. But how
Otherwise, we're
many
just
classes do we have to go through to fully,
There's a lot
under
of books.
how many
well,
classes?
well. There's for you talking about for this program with Brother Najim, right?
Right, right. Uh-huh.
Well, usually we do this book, and then there's another book
Uh-huh.
after that, but they split
Uh-huh.
it into 2 semesters. That book, like it's just like this book with 10 chapters,
Uh-huh.
and they split
Uh-huh.
it five, five chapters, but they extend it. Like they have
Two
review, yeah,
semesters. I
yeah.
see.
They have like review classes along with it, and then
Oh, okay.
and there's another semester with 5 to 10, and then more
Uh-huh.
review classes. So there is a lot of review on that book.
So
There's a
there's
lot
a
of
lot of
review.
semester, like 4 semesters more, right?
This
Or
one will
3 or 4.
finish. Yeah, this one will
Mm-hmm.
finish, then the next one, then the next one. So yeah,
So
three.
it's a 3 more semesters, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
No
yeah, I
doubt.
I'll
think
do
There's
yeah.
no doubt.
that.
There's no doubt when you finish this book and the next book after that, you do the
Mm-hmm.
3 semesters, it will be a lot of help for you. It will be. It will
I
be.
see.
It'll be beneficial, inshallah. It will be. I know in the beginning, it's definitely
Uh-huh.
rough. I mention that all the time. In the beginning of learning Arabic, it's rough. And why are we
Uh-huh.
learning words like car? Why are we learning
Uh-huh.
words like bag? But it's good. But it's good because we're learning the grammar aspect to it. And the whole Quran is full with the grammar. Because of this
I
class is a
see.
little bit delayed,
Uh-huh.
what I usually do is that I actually show examples from the Quran. I do. I try
Okay.
here and there. I try to show examples from the Quran, and everything that we're learning is in the Quran, the aspects, the language. It is there. Every page. Just if you pick up the Quran right now, you could see what we learn, right?
Okay. Yeah. So,
Okay. So that's all.
I
Just I would not advise you to leave, but remember, uh there's definitely a key to the Arabic, but it's still your choice. I would not advise.
well, I may have to come back to this, if need be.
Right.
But
That's no
yeah.
right.
Maybe it's too much
And
for you
brother
right now.
Right, and Brother Nejim mentioned that anyone who is behind on this class can repeat it again. That's no problem. It happens. It
Maybe we
happens.
can repeat this. Maybe I'll
Yeah,
go
yeah,
back and maybe I'll
yeah, yeah.
repeat it.
That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Because remember,
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
73 years, so I'm a little slow, so I don't mind repeating.
Yeah. All right. No problem. We'll see. We'll
All
see.
right.
I would not advise you to leave. Just think about it. Review with Brother Nejim too. Ask for his advice. I personally would not advise it. That's my
Yeah.
opinion. I know the class is delayed, but I'm trying to catch up. I think
No, that's okay. That's okay.
yeah.
Yeah. That's not
Oh,
why I'm leaving. Yeah. Because I already started the book and, for me to keep up with both. But if I have to come back to this, inshallah, I will.
yeah. Like this semester is going to finish soon. Technically
Okay.
speaking, we should be on chapter 8. So we have like 3 or 2 more left, but we're trying to catch up. We can extend. Brother Najim said anyone who's late, the teachers like myself, if we're late, we could just keep going until we finish. That's not a problem. But if anyone who's feels like they're not strong enough to get to the next semester, they could just repeat the same book or
Class,
same
the same.
level. It's not a problem. It happens. Happens.
Okay.
All right. So
Yeah,
just think
especially
about
when
it.
you're old like me and your head is slow. You can repeat again.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so thank you all for participating, and I'll see
Just
you all next week. If anything, there's the homework, and you can always ask me questions in the group.
okay.
Wa
Assalamu alaikum.
alaikum assalam.
Wa alaikum salam.